Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to present you this sports bottle with straw and handle. This stainless steel sports bottle will keep you hydrated anywhere you go. You can simply flip up the straw with one single hand. Whether it's for working, driving, exercising, or just relaxing at home, you can simply insert your finger into a loop handle. You can enjoy your favorite beverage easily. The lid and the straw is made from food-grade plastic and is 100% safe to use. The bottle is made from 304 stainless with double-wall vacuum insulation, so it can keep your drinks cold or hot up to 8 hours. So this water bottle comes in 4 different sizes and 2 colors. You can choose any capacities based on your own preference. Both white and silver color looks trendy and stylish. And the best part is that you can personalize it with sublimation printing. If you want to print full width, you have to use the oven, but today I'm going to use this arc press just to demonstrate. First of all, set temperature to 180 centigrade and time to 15 seconds. Tape your favorite design on the bottle, remove the lid and straw, and put it in the arc press. Voila! And now you have your own personalized water bottle. If you want to know more about this product, check out our website at www.makeadout.com. Thank you for watching today and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!